First, I describes an amortization schedule. An amortization schedule determines that how much of each loan payment is devoted to paying interest. It also determines that how much of each loan payment is devoted to repaying the principal. The amount principal is the amount of the loan that is still unpaid. In most loans, the initial payments of loans are usually directed toward interest charges. When more of the loan is repaid, the percentage of each payment is devoted to paying interest decreases because the interest is being applied to a smaller and smaller principal until the last few payments are almost entirely devoted to repaying the principal amount. Now I calculate the amount of a loan payment that is devoted to paying interest. For this purpose, IPMT function is used. IPMT function returns the amount of a particular payment that is used to pay the interest on the loan. This function calculates the amount of interest payment on the loan. Year column shows the number of years. There are 10 years in this column. Period column shows the number of periods. There are 120 periods. To calculate amount of interest payment on the loan, active cell reference C8, click Formulas tab, click Financials arrow button, click IPMT function. This function has 6 arguments, where the rate, NPER, PV, FV, and type arguments have the same properties as well as have PMT, FV, and other financial functions. In PER argument, type or select the number of period for which you want to find the interest value. In rate box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In PER argument, select this cell reference. Because I want to find the interest payment of first period, press tab key. In NPER box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In PV box, select this cell reference, click OK. Function returns $379.17. This is the amount of interest payment in the first payment. To calculate interest payment of second period, active cell reference C9. Click Financial arrow button, click IPMT function. In rate box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In PER box, select this cell reference. Because I want to find the interest payment of second period, press tab key. In NPER box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In PV box, select this cell reference, click OK. Function returns negative $376.98. This is the amount of interest due in the second payment. This amount is also negative. Company will return negative $376.98 interest in the second payment.